Mercedes-Benz E-Class W212 2016 to 2018 model car. The problem with this car is that the car does not go above 80 km per hour or 90 km per hour when driving on the highway, and the speed does not increase when the fuel accelerator is pressed. The check engine light suddenly turns on while driving. When I turn off the engine and restart it, the check engine light turns off. What is the reason for this problem in the car? The car cannot be driven at high speed. After the car speed increases from 80 to 90, when I press the fuel accelerator pedal to increase the speed, the car shakes, but the speed does not increase. This problem occurs after the car speed increases to 80 to 90 kilometers. Mercedes W212 dashboard with check engine light on is your Mercedes E-Class, the transmission slipping, jerking, hesitating, or won't shift properly into fifth gear. In this video, I'll show you the common causes, the troubleshooting process, and how to fix this problem step by step. So after I first check the scan computer, the fault code is P0735 Gear 5 Implausible, P0894 Transmission Slipping, P0735 Gear 5 Unreliable, P0894 Transmission Slipping. Common symptoms. Due to this fault code, you may notice these problems in your Mercedes E250 vehicle. Number 1 problems changing gears. Number 2 delay in engaging gears. Number 3 gear slipping. Number 4 revolutions per minute increasing without increasing speed. Number 5 transmission stuck in limp mode. Number 6 check engine light on. Problem and solution. Number 1. Transmission fluid low or dirty. One of the most common causes of this is low or dirty transmission fluid. Check the level and condition of the ATF. If the transmission fluid level is low, the gearbox cannot maintain the correct hydraulic pressure, which causes the problem of gear slipping. The solution is to install the transmission fluid and adjust the level. Check whether the transmission fluid is black. If the ATF fluid is burnt, contaminated, then the gearbox cannot maintain the correct hydraulic pressure. Change the transmission fluid and filter using the correct Mercedes-approved ATF. Number 2. Electrical wiring inspection. See wiring inspection. Inspect the transmission wiring harness and connector plug. If oil leaks inside the connector, the electrical signal may be damaged. Check thoroughly. I have checked the wiring of this vehicle, but there is no problem. Problem solution. Repair the damaged wiring and replace the leaking connector seal. Also, the causes of this problem are: Number 1 worn clutch or internal damage. Number 2 conductor plate speed sensor. Number 3 valve body solenoid problem. To check the problem with this car, I will first remove the transmission gearbox oil pan. I removed the transmission gearbox oil pan. It's been a month since the transmission fluid and filter were changed on this car. Now I'm going to remove the transmission filter. Now I will take out the transmission valve body. The screw is broken at this side of the valve body. The screws on this side are completely loose. They can be turned by hand. The screw comes off very easily. Four screws on this side of the valve body are broken. Half of the screws are stuck inward. I'll open the valve body and show you. All the screws on the back side of the valve body are good and tight. There are a total of 10 screws on both sides of the Mercedes-Benz E-Class automatic transmission valve body. Remove all the screws and remove the valve body. When opening the bulb body, be sure to pay attention to the wire connections so that they are not damaged. I opened the transmission valve body and took it out. Look, the screws holding the transmission valve body are broken. It is stuck to the gearbox body. The 4 screws on this side holding the valve body are broken. The 5 screws on this side of the transmission valve body are all in place. No problem. I will remove the broken screws. Look, 4 screws are broken. I took them out. The valve body screws are loose, causing pressure loss and gear slippage. This is a serious issue, as the gearbox is unable to hold fifth gear properly. There are no other problems with this car, such as the conductor plate speed sensor, valve body or solenoid. Everything is fine. I will replace all the old screws on the transmission valve body and install new screws. When installing the transmission bulb in this car, there are two things to pay attention to. Number one is that the yellow range selector slider clip or detent lever guide is seated properly. Number two is, the electrical sensor connector and its O-ring should not be damaged during installation. If these two are correct, there is no problem. I will install the transmission hydraulic pressure valve body now. The shifter rod linkage connector must be installed correctly. Electrical sensor connector is OK to install. The transmission hydraulic pressure valve body installation is complete. Now I will install the transmission fluid filter. The transmission fluid filter has been installed. Now I will install the transmission oil pan. Transmission oil pan installation completed. Connect the wire socket to the electrical sensor connector. I connected the cable socket. Now install the transmission fluid and fill it to the correct level. Now I will install the transmission fluid. The transmission is installed. Now I will start the car engine. Now enter the car and change the gear shift, for example PR and D, and leave it in the D to N position. Get out of the car with the gear shift in the N position. Check the fluid level. The transmission fluid level is low, so the transmission fluid has not drained out. More transmission fluid needs to be added. Now the transmission fluid level has become higher than this amount, so more transmission fluid is coming out. Now the transmission fluid level is correct. Tighten the drain bolt screw to prevent transmission fluid leakage. After repair, clear all transmission codes using the diagnostic scanner. All transmission codes have been cleared. Perform a road test and check for smooth shifting. Smooth driving if shifting is smooth and codes do not return the repair is successful.